Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to grow rainbow carrots in your own garden. If you're already excited to see this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Rainbow carrot seeds. Step 1. Make holes. Make holes 3 to 4 centimeters apart from each other in rows and 35 centimeters between each row. You can use a finger to create a good sowing depth. Step 2. Sowing. Place around 2 seeds in each hole. You can sow carrots between the half of March and the beginning of June. Step 3. Cover and water. Cover the holes with soil. Water the soil to start the sprouting of the seeds. Step 4. Remove. Around 2 to 3 weeks later, you will see the seedlings appear. Choose the biggest or strongest seedling from each spot. Remove the lesser one. Step 5. Weeding. While your carrots are growing, remove the weeds that appear around them. You don't want them to steal the spotlight. Step 6. Harvest. After 80 to 90 days after the first appearance of the seedlings, it is time to harvest your rainbow carrots. Just pull them up firmly after wriggling a bit with the green part of the plant. Store them in your fridge. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!